We all know what anger is. And we've all felt it before, whether as a fleeting annoyance or as a full-fledged rage. Actually, anger is a completely normal and usually healthy human emotions. But when it gets out of control and turns destructive, it can lead to problems. Yes. Problems at work, in your relationship, in your personal relationships, and in your overall quality of your life. And it can make you feel like, you are at the mercy of an unpredictable and powerful emotion. Words are like eggs. The words said in the moment of anger cannot be unsaid and can leave lasting memories in the minds of people that you have hurt in the process. And that is why it is important to learn how to control anger. Welcome to my YouTube channel, your best place for go-getters, dreamers, and achievers. My name is Miriam Adepoju. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and of course a fashion designer and a YouTuber based here in San Jose, California. If you are new on this channel, please take a moment to like this video. It is very important, or rather, it is important. Please sit back, relax, and smash on the subscribe button after watching this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. We know ourselves. I'm going to be sharing ways by which we can actually control our anger. 20 ways. Number 1, count down. Yeah, also. Count down, you can count up to 10, in that moment of fury. If you are really, really mad, you can take your time to count up to 100. Yes. In the time it takes you to count, your heart rate will actually begin to slow down. Yes. And your anger will likely subside. It will begin to, subside like error. You know how Yoruba say it? When people are so mad, they're like, error, like, take it easy, cool down. Yes. So the second tip I'll be sharing is that take a breather. Is to take a breather. Your breathing becomes shallower and speeds up as you grow angry, like you are boiling. So you can reverse that trend and your anger by taking slow, deep breaths from your nose and exhaling out of your mouth. Yes, for several moments. Number 3, go for a walk. Yes, so walk away from the scene. Yeah, before you do something drastic or nasty. Yes. Go walk around, do an exercise. Trusted sources have actually discovered that, exercise can help calm your nerves and reduce anger. Yes, go take a walk, ride your bike, or hit a few golf balls. Anything that gets your limb pumping is good. Yes, is good for your mind and your body. Are you planning to start your YouTube channel? Have you registered for my masterclass, my YouTube monetization masterclass? Please go ahead. It is ready. I have the replay ready. So if you are planning to get monetized in this year, go ahead and check it out. Yeah, you find the link in my description below. So I'll see you guys. Let's make your YouTube dreams come true. I got monetized within 6 months, and you can do it. So if I can do it, you can do it. So let's go ahead. Tip number 4. Repeat a mantra. Find a word or phrase that can help you to calm down and refocus. Repeat that word again and again and again. When you're upset, you can tell yourself, relax, take it easy, everything will be okay, you'll be okay. These are examples, so it can be anything else for you. So tip number 5, mentally escape. Slip into a quiet room, close your eyes, and practice visualizing yourself in a relaxing scene. Focus on details in the imaginary scene. What color is the water? Yes, start to, think about stuff like that. Something to take your mind away from that thing, from that issue, that problem that is making you boil like boiled eggs. You can even think about how tall the mountains are. Like, how tall are the mountains? What do the chirping birds sounds like? This practice can actually help you to find peace, find calm amidst your anger. Number 6, play some tunes. Yes, so play music, play something that makes you happy. Let music carry you away from your feelings. Put in earbuds or slip out to your car. You can just go into your car, put in your earbuds, crank up your favorite music and hum, bop, and sashay your anger away. Yes, so tip number 7, stop talking. Keep quiet, like shh. when you are steamed. You may be tempted to let those angry words fly, but you know you're more likely to do more harm than good. So pretend that your lips are shut. Your lips are glued shut, just like you did as a kid. That moment without speaking will give you time to actually collect your thoughts and cool down. Calm down for Jesus. Are you still here? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. I'll appreciate that as much as possible. And please leave your comments as well. Tip number 8. Take a time out. Give yourself a break. Sit away from others. In this quiet time, you can actually process events and return your emotions to neutral. You may even find this time away from others so helpful that you want to schedule it into your daily routine. Yes. So number 9, write in your journal what you cannot say. Perhaps you can write, jot down what you're feeling and how you want to respond. Now, processing it through the written word can help you calm down, reassess the events leading up to your feelings. Yes. So number 10. Number 10, find the most immediate solution. You might be angry that your child has once again left their room a mess. Yes, oh, that thing can be so annoying. Like you clean up the room now and the next 2 minutes is upside down. Yeah, also these kids, they can help you. You know what? Shut the door. You can temporarily end your anger by putting it out of your view. Yes, so look for similar resolutions in any situation. Yes, so and then number 11 is rehearse your response. Yes, so you prevent an outburst by rehearsing what you are going to say and how you're going to approach the problem in the future. And this rehearsal period actually gives you time to role play several possible solutions too. Now, picture a stop sign. The universal symbol to stop can help you calm down when you are angry. Yes, it is a quick way to help you visualize the need to halt yourself, your actions, and walk away from the moment. So next, talk to a friend. So don't stew in the events that make you angry. Help yourself by talking with a trusted, supportive friend who can possibly provide a new perspective. Yes. So next is laugh. Me, I can laugh for Africa. If you think you can make me angry on my own, I will just laugh it off. Like, I don't care. Laugh. Nothing appends a bad mood like a good one. So diffuse your anger by looking for ways to laugh. Whether it's playing with your kids, watching stand-up comedy, or scrolling memes. Yes, go on Instagram and watch those videos that make you happy, like that make you laugh. Tip number next is practice gratitude. I can't overemphasize this. Yes. So take a moment to focus on what is right when everything feels wrong. Yes. When everything seems to be falling apart, when you're angry, when you're mad, just choose to take a moment to focus on what is right when everything feels wrong. And realizing how many good things that you have in your life will help you neutralize anger and turn the situation around. Yes. Are you still watching? Have you seen my video on how I got free clothing? This is free. I kid you not, this is free. It's actually short. It's like it's a less than 1 minute video, but make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end. You don't have to be a content creator before you can have access to free clothing. I kid you not, free. It's free. I didn't pay for it, so the company will send you clothes and then that's it. So you can be a YouTuber, a content creator, or a regular person. Send me a DM. Yes, so follow the instructions and I will show you how to get your free clothes. Thank me later. Yes. So let me just share the tips now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get 5 of your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then follow me on Instagram at Chassis Everything and send me a DM. That's all. Yes, and you are getting free clothes. This is free. Yes, so it's free. Okay, so as we were saying, number next is practice gratitude. Number next is imagine forgiving Imagine forgiving them. Yes. So find the courage to forgive someone who has wronged you. I know it takes a lot of emotional skill, but if you can't go that far, you can at least pretend that you are forgiving them and you will feel your anger begin to slip away. Yes. Yes. So number next is practice empathy. Yes. Try to walk in the other person's shoes and see the situation from their own perspective. So when you tell the story or you relive the events as they saw it, you may gain a new understanding and become less angry. Yes. So number next is express your anger. Yes. It is okay to say how you feel as long as you handle it in the right way. Ask a trusted friend to help you be accountable to a calm response. Yes, I have a sister. She's crazy. Like she's always, getting angry and getting angry. But I always appreciate it whenever she calls me to report somebody. I'll be like, okay, somebody has offended you. Okay, what happened? And then I begin to see it from the other person's perspective, because I know her very well. She can get angry for the whole world, and then I begin to calm her down. Like, just take it easy. Don't worry. Okay, I'm sorry on this person's behalf. No vex. Just let it slide. Let it, and that's how she's able to, diffuse the anger and then move on from there. And then she comes back to say, oh, thank you. I would have just gone crazy that moment, but I'm glad and, I'm grateful that she, tells me before she takes those drastic actions, because I know her. You people will run. So from my experience, I have found out that outbursts actually solve no problems, but mature dialogue can help to reduce your stress and ease your anger, and it may also prevent future problems. Yes, that's the truth. And then number next is find a creative channel. Yes, so hey, tune into my YouTube channel. Trust me, your life will not remain. You will forget that you were angry. Watch my YouTube videos, and I will ginger you. Hey, anger is not in our blood. It's not in our bone. I remember one time like that in our union, like my college degree associate, like my friends from the university. I studied economics. So we have a group, and then something happened, and somebody said they were offended by what I said or something, and then I immediately went into the group and I apologized. I'm sorry if somebody felt this way or felt that way. And then people started sending me direct messages, WhatsApp. Oh my God, I can't believe that you have this calm spirit. You have no anger. You have no bone of, that's the word she used. The lady said, you have no angry bone. Yes, you don't have an angry bone in you. Why should I be angry? You actually spend more muscles to frown than to smile. So keep smiling. Okay, so let me get serious. Okay, so but jokes apart, find a creative channel. My YouTube channel will ginger you. It will clear your anger. You cannot watch my video and be angry. Lie. So please be quick one. Watch my YouTube channel. Find a creative channel and then turn your anger into tangible production. Consider painting, gardening, or writing poetry when you're upset. Because emotions are powerful muses for creative individuals, and use yours to reduce anger. What does the Bible even say about getting angry, about anger? Ephesians 4:26-27 says, be angry and don't worry, it won't cover you guys. Don't worry, you're fine. So Ephesians 4:26-27 says, be angry and do not sin. Yes, and be angry and do not sin. Do not let the sun go down on your anger, and give no opportunity to the devil. The bottom line is, anger is a normal emotion that everyone experiences from time to time. However, if you find your anger turns to aggression or outbursts, you need to find healthy ways to deal with this anger. And I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually control anger whenever you experience it. So thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I remain your girl, Chances. And if you are, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the like. You see that like, it will go a long way for me. It's very important. It's important for me, big one. So please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends. I remain your girl, Chances. And if you're interested in joining my Facebook group, it's called Business Moguls. We help to inspire business people to take their business ideas to the next level. So please go ahead. I'll leave the link in the description below. So please go ahead and join the group, and I'll be more than happy to add you right in the group. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you again with another powerful topic next week. So till then, keep winning and keep shining. Don't be angry. Biko.